Hey everybody, this is Jason at myEfinity.com, giving a big shout out to the best group of Amway IBOs there are on the planet, the Efinity organization. Hope you all are doing great. Listen, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the new website. We've made a few changes, so I thought I'd go through them here real quick with you. One of the new things that you're going to notice is right here, the Quick Links toolbar, that's actually gone. We got rid of that thing. It wasn't actually working. It took up a lot of room. There were only a couple links on there anyway, and it was just bulky and not working really well. We had some comments. Thank you guys for giving us the comments and the feedback on that. Trying to make the user interface a little more simple, something you can use on a regular basis. The biggest downfall that we had was if you clicked on an article like what you see here, the whole Quick Links toolbar would disappear and you couldn't actually use anything in that navigation. So we got rid of it, junked it. Now we're using this up here. Let's go through it. This is the home button. Obviously, that takes you to the home page. So you click on that, you're going to go back to the main page if you navigated directly into an article, for example. I'm going to go through this real quick. This is the carousel of the articles. It actually rotates on its own. You probably saw that earlier, but if you're impatient like me, you can click on these arrows. It'll take you to the next article. You can scroll through them. I think we have usually 7 different articles inside this carousel at a time. You want to read it? Click on Read the Full Story, and it'll take you into where you can take a look at the story, read through it. This one's actually written by Ken Woods. Very good article. I got to show you this. This is really cool. We've got a new feature on here called Like. And if you click the like button, it's going to take you back to your Facebook page, which I know all of you are on Facebook, because if you're not, you need to go and get a Facebook account. It's really going to help you out with your presence on the web. But if you click that like button, what's going to happen is it's going to go back to your Facebook page and it'll post that actual link to this article here inside your news feed, and other people can see it and they'll be able to click on it and read it, and it just kind of helps spread the word a little bit. So please use that. It's a great new feature. Let's go back here to the main page again. And so what we've got next here is the search the web. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and make sure you can see that. If you want to search the web, you can kind of use this whole page as your home page now, because if you want to look for something, you just simply click on Google, type it in here, and it'll search through the whole web for you. You don't even have to leave the page. Same thing for Bing, same thing for Yahoo. So no matter what it is that you use, you can always use it. These take you directly to our social media pages. We have Facebook, we have a Twitter account, and we have a YouTube account. You click on one of those, it's going to take you directly to our channel. So you don't have to navigate through it, try and find it or anything. It takes you directly to us. You can watch any of our videos, sign on to our Facebook account, leave some comments, questions, whatever you want to do. If you have Gmail, if you have Hotmail, if you have Yahoo Mail, you can click and check your mail right here. Just right there on the web. Again, you don't have to log out of this website and go right through to it. Here's a listing of the different articles that we have here. It looks like we're only showing 3. I'm going to change that. I want to see it a lot more articles showing up. Newsletter, very important. If you're not signed up to the newsletter, get signed up to the newsletter. It's very easy. You just put in your email address, hit subscribe. It's going to take you to a page where you need to put in a CAPTCHA is what it's called. It's a graphic of a word. You just type in that word. It's verifying that you're an actual human and not some robot trying to get in and get access to the site. So you put that in. It's going to send you an email. It says, are you sure you want to subscribe? You click, yes, I am sure, and boom, you're subscribed. And every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday morning, you'll get something in your email that shows you the new articles that we've done. Here is our Facebook fans. It actually rotates through here, so if you don't see your face on here, don't worry. It'll come up and it'll show up at some point. If you click on this, it'll take you back to the Facebook page. I've already liked this, so it shows like or unlike. If you haven't already signed up as a fan, it'll say like right here. You just click on that, it'll put it in there. But it shows the different folks that are in there and gets your face so other people can see that. So this is the main page. You can search for things here. If you want it in Spanish, you click there. Go back over here. This is the store. So obviously you want to purchase any tools. You can go here and log in. Now we've had some comments about login actually, so I want to take the time to explain that to you. You don't actually need to log in at any point unless you're going to buy something. The only requirements that we have for passcode protection is for purchasing. So if you want to read an article, there's no need to log in. You don't need to log in anywhere to do that. If you want to go to our Facebook, don't need to log in. Don't have to do that. There's nothing there. So there's no need to log in unless you're going to purchase something or look at or use Biz Presenter, look at your subscription, things like that. That's where you'll need to log in. CEP. Now this is new. What we're going to have is an About section of the CEP. So it's About CEP. If you want to know what the difference between digital subscription is, where you can download the audios, or the difference between that and the traditional, where they actually ship out the CDs to you and you get them every month, that'll be all right there. It'll describe that, book of the month, everything that you have available for as far as the continuing education program. If you want to subscribe, simply click on that. It's going to pop up. You can subscribe to one of those programs if you're not already subscribed. Manage account. Manage account is so you can maybe, let's say you want to change from traditional to digital because now you bought a new iPod and you want to put the things on there. You can do that right there. You just click on it, go into your account, change yourself to digital, and the next month it'll switch over and you'll be able to access those downloads. Here's the book section. I think we got a grand total of 1 book in there, so yeah, 1 book. And what this is basically we're going to do a kind of a review of each month on the Book of the Month program. So this isn't going to tell you everything about the book, obviously, but it's just a quick review. I wrote this one, my impressions of that particular book. It's not always going to be me. It's going to be other people looking at it, so you don't have to listen to the same old boring me about what I think about the book. But each time we'll have a review for that particular month. This was the month of May, and as we go on, we'll have each month in there. Events. Okay, this is new also. We have the same search feature that we had before. You click on that, it's actually going to take you to a simplified search right away. And then there's another actually, let me go ahead and show it to you so you know what I'm talking about. But there's a simplified search right here. And if you want to get into more specifics, you can do that as well. On the reviews, or not the reviews, the resources section, we have a detailed tutorial specifically for this module. So I'm not going to go into detail here. You can check it out later. Also, we're going to have an upcoming section. That's not done yet, but we're working on it. It's going to talk about the conventions that are coming up, what's going to be there, who's going to be there, pictures of the venue, all the exciting things that are going to be going on right there in a kind of a detailed section. Also coming soon is the ability for you to buy tickets online. We haven't done that before. We're creating a whole new website. EffinityEvents.com is, I believe, the address, but you can link to it directly from here. Just click on Get Tickets and it'll take you in to purchase those tickets online. This is a link directly to Amway. Pretty self-explanatory, I would think, since it says Amway. You can log in and do whatever you need to do there. This is the resource section, and this is the Biz Presenter. So if you want to click on that, that's going to actually take you to where you can show the presentation to someone, where you can send out an email invitation, get them online. You can go through it on the telephone, kind of click through each slide and explain to them this wonderful business opportunity and why they should be a part of it. Here's our tutorial section. That's where this video and the other videos are going to be. I'm going to go ahead and click on that so you can see what I'm talking about. But there's where the videos are. You just click on one and it's going to take you through each tutorial for you. Help section, not done yet. Coming soon, under construction. What that's going to be is for you to be able, we're going to try and put some frequently asked questions in there. We're going to have a trouble ticket to where you can type in something and submit that form, and it'll go directly to customer service and they'll be able to answer you right away. But I mean, that's it. That's really the whole website. It's not that difficult. It's actually intentionally simple. We're trying not to add a whole bunch of features and crazy things that you won't actually need or use. Trying to keep it really simple, trying to keep it very user-friendly. So that's the whole thing. If you have any questions, please feel free to come and find us on Facebook. That address is facebook.com/Effinity. Our Twitter address is @myeffinity, and the YouTube channel is youtube.com/Effinity. You can also feel free to give us a call. It's 866-686-8861. You can call us there, and that'll go directly to our customer service agents. They'll be happy to help you out. Or you can send us an email. It's customerservice@myeffinity.com. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll talk to you later.